Union Minister Beni Prasad Verma has courted controversy once again. This time he wants to invest, he says, in journalists to get good publicity for his government. That's not all. A defiant Beni Prasad is not only justifying his attempt to bribe reporters, but is also lashing out at the opposition for questioning this move. The Union Minister says he's a trader and he knows where to invest to get good returns.
पब्लिसिटी तो आप ही लोग करते हो, विज्ञापन बेचारा कौन देता है अखबारों में? एक दिन अगर आपको एक हमने लैपटॉप दे दिया तो भी पब्लिसिटी है। हम तो व्यापारी हैं, हम आपको एक पैसा देंगे, आपकी जेब से 4 पैसे निकाल देंगे। आप प्रचार करोगे बड़ा अच्छा लोहा है, इनका बड़ा अच्छा इनका सामान है, हमारी बिक्री बढ़ जाएगी। तो तुम्हारा बिजनेस टैक्ट है। और ये गधे मूल गधे ने चेत जतगुरु में मेरे सब पता नहीं लोहिया जी इनको क्या पढ़ा गए। मूर्खों का राज है उत्तर प्रदेश में। अभी मीडिया जो है चौथा पाया माना जाता है लोकतंत्र का। उसको हम अगर कोई हथियार देते हैं या उसको बढ़िया खाना एक दिन खिला देते हैं तो इनके पेट में क्यों दर्द हो रहा? और हमारे पास फंड है, हम 10,000 करोड़ रुपया कमाए हैं, तो करोड़ 2 करोड़ हमारे लिए क्या खर्च करना? कोई मतलब ही नहीं। जो 10,000 करोड़ कमाए साल में, तो 2-4 करोड़ मीडिया में नहीं खर्च करेगा, पब्लिसिटी में नहीं खर्च करेगा। पब्लिसिटी नहीं होगी तो हम माल बिकेगा कैसे? हमारी क्वालिटी कौन जानेगा कि हम किस क्वालिटी का अपना लोहा बना रहे हैं, कौन कौन से हम लोहे के काइंड्स बना रहे हैं? तो उनको क्या मालूम है? ये तो ट्रांसफर करो, रिश्वत लो और किसी काम करो उसमें पैसा लो, गुंडागर्दी करो, गुंडों से पैसा लो। ये इनको आता है, इनको सरकार चलाना नहीं आता है। वो फंड है हमारे पास पब्लिसिटी का। पढ़ते लिखते तो कुछ है नहीं। कौन विभाग कितना खर्च किस मद में कर सकता है, ये इनको जानकारी होनी चाहिए। आप लोग पढ़ाओ इनको।
Pranchu now joins us for more on this. Pranchu, a completely unfazed Beni Prasad Verma lashing out at his critics, in fact completely defending the move to actually bribe journalists.
A very bizarre statement coming in from a very senior Congress leader and a central minister for steel. Now, yesterday in Faizabad, Beni Prasad Verma said that whatever roles he has given out to the journalists in Lucknow or in general, he would be obliging the journalists in Faizabad and in the nearby areas with more lucrative offers or with more lucrative gift tax. That is what Beni was saying, and furthermore, he is clearly trying to justify, saying that this is not wrong. He is a businessman and he knows that how to use the money. This is the department's money. Now, this entire controversy started that when on 3rd in Lucknow at a 5-star hotel, a consumer council meet under his department that was held, and before that meet, invitations were sent in to several journalists here in Lucknow, in Uttar Pradesh, and also to various Congress workers from his home district of Barabanki and his parliamentary constituency Gonda. So the scene on 3rd was that there were at least thousands of people out here assembled in Lucknow, queued up around that 5-star, in the front of that 5-star hotel. Many of them also, of course, from the media fraternity, trying to get those gift packs, those mobile phones, bags, and also what we have got to know that certain checks were also distributed to a number of people. So that was the question which was raised by the journalists in Faizabad yesterday, and to that response, instead of showing any regret, Beni Prasad Verma went ahead and said that whatever he has benevolence he has showed in Lucknow, he would be obliging the journalists in Faizabad with more.
Absolutely.
So clearly a very shocking statement.